This right here is the most dangerous fruit on the planet.
Hey guys, watch the full video, very entertainment video.
If you eat this fruit when it's not ripe, what will happen?
If we ate down here, it would feel like there's a porcupine in our whole mouth.
Really?
It's ripe if we tap it like this and they fall right off.
Never in my life did I think eating a fruit would be a gamble. Let's see what happens.
Pineapple taste. Oh no.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. I don't feel any burning.
This tastes like a pineapple Jolly Rancher.
Bro, that is good. This tastes like a pineapple.